Hello my darlings, it's Dean. Welcome back to my channel for another thrift haul. Now this one, it's kind of loopy because this is all shoes, and this is all shoes from the Goodwill outlet in Fort Lauderdale. Let me tell you something. There are some times I go in there and it's like, no. There are other times I go in there and it's like, woohoo! This was one of those woohoo times. I went at a time where they were just, if anybody's been there, you know the layout. In the back is where they usually do the handbags and the shoes. And I came at a time where they were just wheeling those out. It was the luck of the draw. There is no rhyme or reason. I think that's why a lot of people get frustrated with those bins, or with any bins. Like, you just, you know, there's a rhythm to it, but we're not really privy to it. One thing that I will say about these bins that I do like is that they do rotate quite often. Unlike the West Palm bins where they kind of just sit out there for a long time. For Lauderdale, I've said this, once you go through one row really well, they're bringing out another rack. So once again, I was privy, or I showed up at a time where they were wheeling out the shoe and the handbag bins. I didn't see any handbags that I liked, but I did get some shoes. And I thought about you, my girls who are size 10 and up. I have some great ones for you. And as always, some stuff that I'm going to keep for myself. I keep on saying, you know, if you're a size 9 and you want to shop from me, I apologize. I apologize beforehand, because anything that I like that's like a size 40, 40 and a half, or 9, 9 and a half, maybe a 10, if I really like it, I keep it. But I'm gonna, you know what? I may do a shoe clear out on Poshmark. I may go through my shoes and clear it out. Anyway, let's get into this video. I'm delaying because I really don't want to go into these 1, 2, 3 bags of shoes. Okay, so let me clear my space because, you know, I got everything out here. And all right, okay. So the first 2 items that I purchased were these Uggs. And you know what? South Florida, we don't really have a need for Uggs, but I'm always thinking about my Chicago girls, my Midwest girls, my, you know, my girls up in the Northeast that want their Uggs. I will always get Uggs whenever I see them, because Uggs can be quite expensive. And so if you can get some pre-owned Uggs, you know, these are worn, you can definitely tell they're worn. If you can get some pre-owned Uggs at a good price, you know, why not? So these I'll probably price at like maybe $15, $20, but I'll definitely take offers on these because they are worn. Like, I'm not gonna fool myself into thinking that I'm getting top dollar for these. These are for those guys and gals, or gals I should say, because this is actually my size. They're 40, so they're a size 9. I'm not an Ugg girl, but if I was, these would be in my closet. I would not be selling them, but I'm not an Ugg girl. I don't need Uggs in South Florida. So yeah, so here we are. I'm not going to fool myself into thinking that I'm going to be getting top dollar for those. So they'll probably be like 15, 20, 25 at the most. I'm not going to fool myself. I don't want to go into these bags. Okay. All right. Because they're quite heavy. All right. Okay. So one of the things that you guys know about me is I am a shopaholic and I could be a hoarder. If I was not a reseller, I absolutely would be a hoarder, because I love beautiful, fabulous, fashionable things. And so whenever I find those things, I'm like, ooh, I need to find somebody who loves it just as much as me. So these these shoes are totally Dean, darling. Yes, they are. They are all the way. These are a size 12. And they are, you know what, let me take this off. They are brand new. And yeah, they're brand new. And that's all. They're a size 12. So like I said, I've been thinking about you guys, because this is a Dean shoe in a 12. It's Guess. You can see the sticker there. So it has a little bit of wear. It looks like either the person didn't wear them or these just came off the shop floor, but yeah. So that's a size 12. I don't want to throw them, but I'm gonna like list after this. Oh, okay. Let's do this boot here. This is I want to say it's an Aldo boot. No, Antonio Milani, which is, I want to say it's Dillard's. It has a little bit of wear in here. just a little bit of wear. But these, what I loved about these, you can see, look at this gold detail. I thought that was so cute. I'm gonna buy boots regardless. If I see good boots, I'm gonna buy good boots, because I mean, I buy boots whenever I see good boots. As you, I'll show you these pair of boots that are so fabulous. Oh my god. But yeah, so I got these because of this right here. It's an 8.5, and you know I would keep them, but I don't think this is gonna fit over my calf. But I love this color, and I love a good worn-in boot. I don't like new boots. I think, when's the last time I bought a new boot? I can't even remember. I love a good worn-in leather boot. I love these little scratches, and I love that. I love that. I love that. I love that. A good cognac boot. I'm gonna see if I can fit it over my calf. I'm gonna see. And it looks like it had something here. I don't know exactly what, but I don't know. All right. Sorry, I just threw that. That was so out of order. All right. These report signature, and so they are in good condition with the exception of, I don't know if you can see this right here. Can you see that? It's like a little scraping or something on there. Anyway, report signature, these are a size, I'm gonna say they're 7.5 because you know I wanted to keep them for myself, but I will not. So there's that. I'm trying to go through this quickly. These I got for myself because it's South Florida and you need a rain boot. It's always raining. So, and if I go to Chicago, like everybody in Chicago has a good rain boot. So I got these. These are, I want to say Nicole Miller rain boots. So it's a purple rain boot and it's my size and it's cute. I need to find Riley some rain boots because she loves to go in the rain and ruin her Nikes. Ooh, is my bra showing? I love this top, but my bra is always playing peekaboo in it. I love it. Okay. These I got for myself, but I'll probably put them up on Poshmark. These are Charlotte Russe. I kind of want to keep these. I just feel like with a good skinny jean. What do you think? I'll put them on Poshmark. If they don't sell, I'll keep them. That's what I do. I'll put them up for a week. And if it doesn't sell in a week, I'll be like, oh, that's the Lord saying no mine. Thank you, Holy Ghost. Okay, these are a 9.5. I'm gonna sell these. I thought they were really cute espadrille, but I would not wear these. And I just wouldn't wear them. I know they'd stay in my closet because I like ankle straps. This is a good, I don't know, this is a good strap. This is a good color. I'll put them up. I'll put them up on Poshmark. They're American Eagle. Sorry, did I tell you that? American Eagle espadrille, which is a part of my trend. If you guys have my trend book, I'll leave a link or I'll leave a thing right here for the web address to my trend book, my spring summer trend book. And the espadrilles are in, I'll think about it. I'll think about it. For my size 10 chica lindas, I thought about you. So here is a pair of Jessica Simpson. They do have a little wear to them, I'm not gonna lie to you, but to the right person who knows how to fix them up, this will be perfect. So these will probably go for like 10 bucks. But yeah, size 10 or 11. I think they're an 11. I think they're an 11. Wait, they're a 10, size 10. All right, and then these 9 West espadrilles. These are cute. I like the bow. I like the detail. I like details. I like this kind of stuff. It makes it look more expensive. Like you spend a little bit of money. Like you put a little effort into your wardrobe. So anytime I find something like this, I like that. And these are 7.5. All right, so that's 1 bag out of 3. Oh, and half of that bag is my size. I don't know. Help me, Lord. Pray for me. I think like everything in this bag I wanted, but I'm not going to keep. Okay, so these are Shoe Dazzle. These are a size 10. The color, I love this gray beige color. It's more gray than beige, but I love that color. Oh, that color. And the thing is, when you have this much of a platform with a heel, it actually just feels like it's this high and not this high. And so if you don't feel comfortable walking in a block heel, this is the perfect kind of shoe for you, because you're not going to really, you're going to feel off the ground, but not as high as if you were with like a stiletto of this height. It's an 11. I thought it was a 10. It's an 11. All right. Okay. Okay. So I kind of want to keep these. And I know these are not the, like, the fashion anymore, but they're still, like, in style. I didn't want the Louboutin ones. I wanted the Gianvito Rossi ones. BCBG had one that was like a dupe, but this color, I wanted them in pink. They're a 10. I may wear them in a picture, like, you know, you guys know I put my pictures up on Instagram. I don't know, they're a 10. No, I like those. Think about it. All right. Oh, the blood of Jesus. Sangre de Jesus. You guys know I'm watching the Celia of Netflix, right? So every episode I'm becoming more and more bilingual. So Sangre de Jesus. Look at this boot. Ay, Dios mío. Oh. I didn't even get to say nothing, y'all. Thigh high. Barely worn. I'm sorry. You know some things you have, and it's like you don't even talk. It looks like it was on consignment and they didn't sell. How did it make it to the bins? I know that there are people that donate directly to the bins. This could have not gone through Goodwill. Okay, this could not have gone through Goodwill and made it to the bins in this condition. You got to be kidding me. These are Guess thigh high. They're going over there because they're mine. All right. God, those shoes are so bad, Lord. These are some dance shoes, comme il faut. And I looked on eBay because I just thought they were really pretty and a really pretty heel. And they were in really great condition. There's some wear, and I found out that these are dancing shoes. So take a look at that. Take a look at that label. These are, these are 8.5. Thought these were 10, y'all. These are my size, 8.5, 9. I'm supposed to be out here making money. Just reckless with my shopping. Oh, God, look at this. I ain't selling these. These are going in my closet. Thought these were 10. For those over there, you know they not seeing the light of Poshmark, y'all. I got these. I just like the color. I was actually gonna let my nail, I don't want to call her nail tech. She's more than a nail tech. My nail artiste know, nail bully. I like this color. I like this color. It's a good fall color. Yeah, that goes over there. Y'all not ready for this shoe, because I wasn't ready for this shoe. Look at this. 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 I feel like Cardi B. Look at me. Cardi. Look at me. Cardi. Looking like a Cardi. Wait, is this broken? Oh, Lord, it's broken. Oh, I gotta get it fixed. Let me see. It's a little... Alright, so I gotta get that fixed. That's an easy fix. I can take that to a cobbler. Woo! Look at this. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see the... Oh, there you go. Yeah, I can take that to a cobbler today, honey. These are Pour La Victoire, as you can tell from this. This is the Pour La Victoire sign. Yeah, I'm gonna take that to a cobbler today. All right, I'm sorry, I keep having these moments. You guys are shoppers like me, so you know this video is gonna be all me with shoes, because you know I'm a shoe and handbag girl. These were Roberto del Carlo. They're just some ordinary sandals. None big. All right. Okay. Anything in here mine? Okay, so these are some Steve Madden. Oh, I get scared. I'm like, Lord, if this is my size, I'm gonna have to keep them. So these are some Steve Madden. I don't know the name. What's the name? Steve Madden. Sometimes they say the name. Revolvi. Steve Madden Revolvi. I don't know how this stuff makes it to the bins. In good condition too. Working zipper, everything. Yep. So this will be going on Poshmark because it's not my size. And then these are some Aldo boots. Simple suede boots. Wedge boots. And then I got this little purse. Just a little quilted handbag. I think this is Charming Charlie. Yeah, Charming Charlie. Very Chanel-esque. You know, it's at the bins. Why not? Somebody will love it. A little miniature quilted bag. Alright, so... God, where am I going to find... I have so many shoes in here. What I'm going to do, I've been looking on Amazon for a shoe rack. I'll leave a link to the few of the ones that I've been looking at just in case you're interested, because I'm looking for a 50 pair rack. There's no use in buying one of these little ones, a little 20 pair, 10 pair. No, I need a 50 pair one to put right here, and it has all of the shoes. That's what I'm gonna do, because it just makes, I keep on buying shoes for myself. I need to buy two, one for me and one for the office, because this is, can we look at that boot again? Do you mind? Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Oh God, this boot is so hot. If any of you are like fall girls like me, you know. And to get this at the bins, are you kidding me? All right, that's it. Me and the video. All right. Okay. Oh, and I filmed this look. Sorry, I'm like all out of order. Ooh. I filmed this look for you. This is from a $2.50 palette that I got at Big Lots, and look at the highlight. Do you guys see that? Ooh, I filmed this look, so I'll put a link up here if you guys missed it. I did another reseller chat, and I'll leave a link to this wig because some of you said you really liked it. I've combed out the curls, so I have to go get another one. But this has been a really good wig for me. It's really, really easy. So, all right, love you. We never pay retail. Oh, gosh. I'm a shoe addict. Jesus. The shoes are so bad, Lord. Okay. I'm gonna go and get all this listed. Love you. We never pay retail. We might have to start a support group for girls who love to thrift, and we can just every day post pictures of stuff that we've thrifted. I think that may be in the works. I'm not sure, because I can't be alone in this. I feel so guilty. All right, love you. Bye. Mwah.